Many people haven't heard about it yet, but it is something very common and easy to find in sidewalks, yards, and empty lots. Barbados gooseberry has edible leaves with high amounts of protein, iron, and other nutrients. From the Cactea family, Periskia aculeata is native from the American continent and is distributed from the south of the United States down to Argentina and also found in the Caribbean. This shrub is known by many names: Barbados gooseberry, blade apple cactus, leaf cactus, rose cactus, lemon vine, or Ora pronobis. Can you believe that in 3.5 ounces of its leaves, approximately 20% of it is protein? For this reason, it is highly recommended for vegans and vegetarians. It can be found as capsules or food supplements. Free of saturated fats which are found in meat, Barbados gooseberry offers many other benefits to our health. Want to know what they are? High concentration of fiber. Fiber acts in the good functioning of intestines and gives a sensation of satiety. Source of vitamins A and C and iron. Great to strengthen the immune system, fight free radicals, and treat anemia. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. It fights free radicals that, in excess, can cause many diseases. Are you enjoying the video so far? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who still don't know about this plant. Thanks to its benefits, this plant can be used to contribute to the good functioning of intestines and of the digestive system, reconstruct gut flora, avoid constipation, hemorrhoids, and intestinal problems such as colon cancer, detox the body, strengthen the immune system, fight free radicals, thus preventing cellular aging, improve eye, skin, and hair health. For having calcium, it can strengthen bones, teeth, improve muscle contraction, and nerve impulse transmission. It's good for pregnant women because of its folic acid, essential for fetal health. Now that you know all of its benefits, let's learn how to make Barbados gooseberry. The edible part of this plant are its leaves, and it's extremely simple to prepare it. Clean very well the leaves, especially if you found them in an empty lot or sidewalk. Many organic fairs sell Barbados gooseberry since it is easy to plant and grow. It doesn't require any specific care and propagates very easily. After rinsing it very well, you can add the leaves to salads, sautéed like kale, chopped and served with rice, beans, soups, juices. You can add it to pies and breads. Barbados gooseberry has a neutral taste and a very soft texture, which makes it very easy to combine with other foods. Besides eating the leaves, you can also make a Barbados gooseberry tea. Put 5 leaves in 10 fluid ounces of boiling water and let it boil for 10 more minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Since it has a neutral taste, it doesn't need any sweeteners. But if you want to, use 1 teaspoon of demerara sugar or a stevia sweetener. You can drink this tea 1 time a day until you notice an improvement of the symptoms. As we saw, the benefits of Barbados gooseberry are many, and it is worth it to have this plant close to you. Your health will thank you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.